Hello, I'm Jim Bach.
And you're the principal at Chaska High School.
I am.
You are. And I'm Dick Unger.
And you're the principal at Chanhassen High School.
Indeed, indeed.
That's good. We are really proud to be serving the students and staff of our two high schools and excited about the up-and-coming school year.
This is our first monthly video message that we're calling the Principal's Minute, and we're going to try and keep it to a minute, aren't we, Jim?
Yes.
We know you need information in a variety of ways, and this is one more way to help keep you up on all of the activities and the good things happening at our high schools.
In the up-and-coming months, we will be covering topics such as personalized learning, academic standards, grading, and more. We will get the information to you in a timely manner, and it will be informative and brief.
Additionally, we're going to be sharing some important upcoming dates with you so that everybody's in the loop. For example, next week we both have our orientation days, Monday and Tuesday, August 20th and 21st. Wednesday, August 29th, we're each having our open house events, and then having all students back on Tuesday, September 4th.
We hope you had a great summer, and soar Hawks.
Go Blue!